of FalonFabrini, and this is our mini CEO, my daughter, Alicia, and I'm here with my friends,
Rachel with Rachel Sleeps,
Abby, and Julie. We are the owners of Sitting Pretty Beauty Bar.
and we want to officially invite you to our Mother's Day Golden Experience pop-up. At this pop-up, you can expect to enjoy our 24K Golden Cosmetics, kids too, glosses, scrubs, and shimmer balm.
Basically what it comes with is a cleanse, a steam, an exfoliate, and then you're going to be able to get masked as well with our brightening mask.
come see me at the 24 Karat Gold Mother's Day pop-up on Saturday, May 8th, and get to experience some golden desserts from Rachel Sleeps.
All of that in one package.
Can't wait to pamper all you moms out there. Be sure to come out and support a small business. Happy Mother's Day!
My big full shit, ready to get it started.
Product placement. I like it.
Is it cold? No.
Your first facial.
There you go.
I cannot.
Do you want me to start
you
recording
sleeping?
there? Or do you?
Yeah.
Are you sleeping?
You have a character on your hand.
Welcome back to the channel. Now introducing our newest 24K Golden line. I was first inspired by 24K Gold when I visited Dubai a few years back. I visited their gold souk and completely fell in love. So as Mother's Day is approaching and motherhood and mothers out there are golden, I figured I will connect both of my loves for gold and mothers and motherhood together to come up with this awesome, beautiful, glistening line. This beautiful golden collection comes in a variety of tubes, limited edition heart tubes, squeeze tubes, our classic tube. We have a brand new shimmer lip balm, lip scrub. Each pamper kit comes with a free coaster, lip and eye mask. We have not one, but two new shades in this collection. We have a clear gloss with 24K golden flakes, which is great for anti-aging. And we also have the solid 24K golden look. Alright guys, this is our 24K golden lip mask and 24K golden collagen powder eye mask. They're actually both collagen masks. Great for anti-aging and many other benefits. We have our flyer, You Are Gold. It's a pop-up happening this weekend. Hey Alicia, do you like the new golden color from our collection?
I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Pretty. Okay.
Okay. Mommy and me. Remember quarantine and how everybody was stuck at home, didn't know what to do, didn't know how to take care of themselves, their work, their family. Well, these are just some of the normal things that a stay-at-home parent has to deal with on a daily basis. Are you a stay-at-home mom? Do you need a break? Sis, we got you. My name is Fallon, creator and founder of FalonFabrini. We do have a minis collection, and that is run by my little daughter, Alicia. Down below one of your biggest struggles as a stay-at-home parent and how you overcame it. You never know who's going to be in the comments that you could be helping, who's going through the same thing. This is more than winning quality lip care gold products. This is about mental health. Like, comment, tag some stay-at-home mom friends of yours. Caption to make sure you're following all the rules to be eligible for this giveaway. I can't wait to pamper you guys. Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
You'll be winning an assortment of lip care goodies, all 24K, just for you. Good luck!